Okay. Yep, I recorded. Hey guys, how y'all doing today? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys some Legos I built. I'm gonna do a video of me show you guys what I built. And this one you'll probably find pretty interesting. This is out for my subscriber channel, the Arcade Warriors. Enjoy this. You're gonna love this, dude. Alright, so I even put it on the color, but it's a Lego snack machine I've built. It's all black. You can't hardly see what's inside here, but I'll take the roof off so you can get some light. Actually, we'll do that. We'll take off the roof of the snack machine. Look at my son. It says, "Thank you for coming to the Express Car Wash." And bam, there's the inside of the snack machine. This area my thumb is at is where the snacks go when you dispense them. And where money goes down there. It will show you where the money goes. I'll put the stuff back on. And the song that's playing right now is Josh Wilson. I will send This Is Now. And boom. Okay, snacks, $1. Alright, so I'm gonna put one Lego dollar bill into the slot where you can see. Bam. It's in the box. It's in behind the all the dollars are going to do that little slip. Alright. 3 and 4. And yep. Okay, so all the money went through that little hole where I was showing you. And side. This was the snack machine. And then we got, boom, little soda machine. All black too. Okay. I used the red as Coke, white, blue as Sprite. Brown is for beer, and this is like a little change insert. Okay, there we go. My thumb is at is where you get your sodas. Soda machine. Alright. This was for This is for Arcade Warriors. Hope you enjoy this, dude. If you guys not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you give me that thumbs up. I'll be doing more videos, so check them out. And see the Ouija says, peace out, guys. Have a great day. See you guys later. Bye.